In this video I'll be using a 10-inch square canvas. My base coat I mixed with titanium white from Golden, and the pouring medium I use is Liquitex. All my other paints, the pouring medium I used was Golden GAC 800. I used two different blowers. This one right here is one of the blow dryers I use, and I'm not very happy with it. I had to make a lot of modifications to get it to suit me. The other one I use, I got at Walmart. It's I guess they call it a duster of some sort. It's used mainly like for things like keyboards. It comes with different attachments, but I like it. I'm pretty happy with it. I'll leave a link on my description for this. I don't think I will with the other dryer because I don't care for it. I appreciate you watching this video, so I'll thank you in advance. I'm limited to the space that I'm working in, so I hope I can keep the canvas in camera view. The canvas is 10 inches by 10 inches. I have applied a base coat. It's titanium white by Golden, and the pouring medium I use is by Liquitex. I'll have a description of the colors under my video in the description part. First color I want to start with is Violet. That's by Arteza. Next is Orange Red by Arteza. And this is Phthalo Blue, green shade, and that's by Golden. And this color is Phthalo Green by Golden, and that's blue shade. And my last color is Iridescent Green Blue, and that's by Pebeo. I'll let it sit for a little bit, and when I can handle it, I'll take it off this turntable and I'll set it where I can get a better view. It does get a little bit messy, so we'll wait and see. I think it's all right. This is how my pouring looks with a different background. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it came out all right. I was trying to get blues and greens, which I did, and the reason I used some orange is because blue and orange are complementary colors, and the only thing is you got to be careful when you use complementary colors, because if they mix, then you end up with what they call mud. Well, sometimes browns, they're not attractive, or grays, but I'm happy with this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. I have other videos on my channel, and I'll be doing many more. So thank you for watching.